Hi friends, do subscribe our channel ONS Study Circle and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates from our channel. Hi friends, thanks for stopping by. This is Vinith Mani right here and you are watching ONS Study Circle. Friends, actually from some time we are receiving emails that we should also make videos in English language. So we are starting with this video. This video is all about accounts payable in English. So let's get started with the video. What is accounts payable? Why seller sells on credit? Accounts payable journal entries, accounts payable cycle, three-way matching, why accounts payable department is important. So let's get started. To understand all of these, we are welcoming two persons, Mr. X and Mr. Y. Now we are going to pick the things one by one. What is accounts payable? Here are two persons, Mr. X and Mr. Y. Mr. X is a buyer here, Mr. Y is a seller here. Mr. X purchased goods and services from Mr. Y worth Rs 50,000 on credit. That means Mr. X is not paying right now and promising Mr. Y that he will pay later. So that brings the liability to Mr. X worth Rs 50,000. Because now Mr. X has to pay that amount in future. This is known as accounts payable and it is a liability. As we can see, Mr. X is liable to pay Mr. Y. Why seller sells on credit? Here Mr. Y, who is a seller, wants to enhance his business and he wants to increase his sales, but he is noticing one thing, that many customers wants to buy products on credit due to some reasons. They might not have enough cash on the spot. So Mr. Y took a decision that he will also sell on credit. By doing this, he is experiencing increase in sales. So Mr. Y attracted many customers by this decision. So we can say seller sells on credit to attract more and more customers. Accounts payable journal entries. As we discussed earlier, accounts payable is a liability, so it has a credit balance. Why? Let us understand. Mr. X purchases goods on credit from Mr. Y worth Rs 50,000. Mr. X will open account payable account when he purchased on credit and he has to pay that. Itself is a liability. That is the reason behind this. And he will record this in this way. At the time of recording an invoice, purchase account debit to accounts payable account. At the time of paying an invoice, account payable account debit to cash or bank account. Accounts payable cycle. Accounts payable cycle is known as the cycle which runs from receiving the invoice to invoice gets paid. Now let us understand. Mr. X earlier purchased goods and services from Mr. Y worth Rs 50,000. Now Mr. Y sends the invoice to Mr. X. Mr. X will run a cycle to make the payment, which also includes three-way matching. In three-way matching, Mr. X verifies that quantity billed is less than or equal to quantity ordered. Invoice price is less than or equal to purchase order price. Quantity billed is less than or equal to quantity received. Because sometimes product comes in multiple shipments, so the quantity and price should be equal or less. Now let us talk about cycle. In the account payable cycle, Mr. X does following things. He captures invoice data into accounting software, verifying invoice payment with corresponding orders, approve the payment, paying the invoice.